with me to go absolutely nowhere fancy, but I am spending most of the holidays and my vacation at my parents' place, so I need a big suitcase to bring all my clothes. And I just thought we could like pack together, super chill, and I'll show you what I'm bringing and wearing for Christmas. So starting with like the dress that I'm gonna wear on the 24th for my big family party. I featured this dress in like some other of my videos for Vlogmas. It's this burgundy pleated midi dress. It's like so shimmery and elegant. I'm really excited to wear this one. And then for Christmas Day, we usually spend like the day pretty much inside, unwrapping present and just like chilling with my immediate family. So I thought I could bring just like a loungewear set so I can wear this and be comfy all day. I just got this black set from Steli and it's honestly so soft and cozy. I haven't worn it yet, so that's why I wanted to bring this with me. Like super comfy, yet because it's black it looks kind of chic. And for dinner on the 25th, so on Christmas, we usually have like another family gathering, but it's much more casual and chill, but I still like to dress nice. So I think I'm gonna wear this sweater dress just to be like cozy yet still like put together, you know? And because I'm gonna do just a lot of relaxing and lounging, I'm definitely bringing my giant teddy hoodie. I love this so much. It's like so comfy and cozy. Look at this. They are so cute, and it's double in the inside with like this kind of faux sherpa, so very warm for those cold winter days. It's gonna take a lot of space in my suitcase, but it's worth it. And now besides this, I don't really have like any other fixed plans or just outfits in mind, so I think I'm gonna bring like a bunch of just basics, like a couple of pants and sweaters like I can mix and match to create outfits. Because I also didn't plan any content this week, I decided to take a break to just chill and relax because I'm super tired, and one of my like resolution or goal for 2025 is taking more time for myself. So I decided to start this Christmas just to hang out and enjoy myself, baking and stuff. So let me see what I can bring that I can mix and match. Alright, so I have my basic pants, like definitely a pair of just straight leg jeans that goes with everything, and also my leather pants. I just love wearing them during winter because they're actually warm and like super soft on the inside. When you wear leather pants, I feel like they just give you like an instant elevated look without even really trying because of the textures. And a pair of cream trousers. That way I have like a mix of colors with like the blue jeans, the black leather pants, and the white trousers. So I should be covered with all these pants. And just to have like an extra cozy one, I'm bringing these like knitted wide leg pants. They are so comfy, but because of the color, I feel like it still gives like a sense of chicness, elegance. So yeah, I love these pants. For a couple days, I think I should be good with these. As always, I'm an overpacker, so maybe I'm not gonna wear everything, but better safe than sorry. This is my motto. Now let me look for a couple of tops. Okay, so I have 4 sweaters. First one, just this gray basic one, so it can go with like everything. I really like this one too. It's like just oversized enough and super soft. I'm also bringing this merino wool cardigan from Cezanne. It's one of my favorite. It's like this black cardigan with these gold buttons. It's just like so chic, and it's also so warm and cozy, so I mean win. I also recently got this little cardigan from H&M and I really love it. It's like such a basic, honestly, like this cable knit button sweater, but at the same time it looks super nice on. And last but not least, of course, my cable knit white sweater this one is probably my favorite sweater ever. It's just such a staple for winter and it's so soft. It's the Peggy sweater from Aritzia and yeah, no regrets for buying this one. And also now that I'm thinking of it, I might want to bring a skirt just in case if I want to look like super cute and feminine. So I think I'm just gonna bring like that basic little mini black skirt. That way if I want to just dress up a little bit more at one point, well, this matches with everything. And now I need shoes, or rather like boots. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick with these two pairs, trying to be minimalistic here. But I have my UGG dupes. These are from Cushionaire and honestly they look like the real thing at a fraction of the price. I think I paid those like $65 at Winners. Honestly, it was such a steal. I bought them like immediately. And just classic little mini black boots, just in case I want to look more chic and elegant at one point if I go out. So these two I'm bringing, plus whatever pair of boots I will wear right now. And of course, I'm gonna bring my slippers. These are getting pretty old, so I put new ones on my Christmas list this year, so maybe I'm gonna have a replacement for those, but I still really love them, so I'm bringing them with me. And now coats. So basically I'm gonna have one on myself, so this should be good. But then I still want to bring like other nice ones. Coats take so much place, but let me see what I can do. So there are two coats that I really want to bring that I feature a lot on my Instagram because I love them so much. First of all, this new faux fur coat I just got at Zara. Like, oh, I love it so much and I just want to have as much wear I can as possible of this coat. But like, look at this, it's just like so fluffy and comfy and cozy. So yeah, I really want to bring this one with me. And the other one is this Sherpa coat, also from Zara. Honestly, they have like some of the best coats I have. So whenever it's fall and winter, I always go lurk at their coat section. But yeah, this one I also wear a lot because I love it so much. It's warm but also at the same time very like stylish, so that's why I love it so much. Oh, and yeah, I also forgot like all the accessories. Wait a minute, I was looking for like this kind of Russian full fur hat for so long and I finally found one at Zara. And look at this, it's so cute. It looks better even with like the hair actually, but oh my god. And look at this with like the faux fur coat too. I mean, am I ready for winter or what? Honestly, I just love this. I haven't even worn this like kind of set yet, so I'm very excited about it. And to go with that other coat, I have these earmuffs from UGG. This is also one of like my most worn earmuffs. They're super warm and super cozy, so yeah, these two I'm definitely bringing with each of the coats. And I think this is pretty much it. I mean, the only things missing are like underwear, which I'm not gonna show you obviously, and maybe accessories. Oh, I just got these earrings like recently from Huge Tomato on Amazon and honestly I love them so much. They're kind of like old money, classy, so yeah, definitely bring those. I'm gonna bring a couple of rings too and necklaces, tights of course just in case, makeup too, and just toiletry bag. But I think I'm set like just for clothes. I just need to find a way to fit all of this in my suitcase. Which is the next challenge. Anyway, thank you so much for packing with me and just watching this super quick mini vlog. I'm very excited for Christmas and my family and can't wait to share all of this with you too. But in the meantime, I wish you happy holidays and I will see you real soon, girls. Bye!